Which jointer planer combo is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, breaking down 5 popular options so you don't waste your time or money on something that looks good but doesn't perform.
Product number 1, WEN 6530 Hand Planer. Let's start with the WEN 6530, a compact, affordable electric hand planer that's been flying off the shelves with over 1,000 sold in the past month. At just under $43, it's one of the most budget-friendly options out there, and honestly, it surprised me with how much it can do for the price. If you want a lightweight, no-frills planer for small projects or edge trimming, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-amp motor delivers up to 34,000 cuts per minute, which is plenty for smoothing rough lumber or trimming door edges. The 16 positive depth stops let you fine-tune your cut from 0 to 1/8 inch. That's precise enough for most DIY tasks. And at just 6.5 pounds, it's easy to control, even overhead. Plus, the included rabbiting guide lets you cut grooves up to 1 inch wide, which is handy for joinery work. Now, some people complained about the plastic housing feeling a bit flimsy during heavy use. Here's the thing though, for occasional home use or light woodworking, it holds up just fine. But if you're planning daily shop use, the lack of metal construction might wear you down over time. Still, for under $50, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend woodworker or need a secondary planer for quick fixes. Skip this one if you're running a professional shop or need long-term durability. For the price, it's a solid value, just don't expect industrial strength.
Product number 2, WEN 6534 Heavy Duty Planer. If the WEN 6530 felt a little too light duty for your needs, the WEN 6534 steps it up with more power and a wider cutting capacity. Priced at $56.44, and with over 400 sold recently, this model is built for bigger jobs, like planing 2x4s or 4x4s without breaking a sweat. If you want more muscle in a still affordable package, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-amp motor cranks out 32,000 cuts per minute and handles thicker stock thanks to its 4 3/8 inch cutting width. That's a full inch wider than the 6530, which means fewer passes and faster results. The 2-way dust pour is a small but smart touch. You can shoot shavings left or right depending on your setup, keeping your workspace cleaner. And like its sibling, it includes reversible HSS blades, a fence sprocket, and a kickstand. Now, some users mention the weight. At nearly 10 pounds, it's noticeably heavier than the 6530, which can lead to fatigue during long sessions. Here's the thing though, that extra weight comes from the metal construction, which adds durability. So while it's not ideal for overhead work, it's much more stable on a workbench. This is perfect for you if you're tackling larger projects like decking, framing, or furniture builds. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable or for delicate trim work. For under $60, it's a great step up in performance.
Product number 3, DeWalt DCP 580B Cordless Planer. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for mobility, the DeWalt DCP 580B. This is a bare tool at $228.26, so you'll need a 20-volt max battery, but what you get is pro-level performance without being tied to an outlet. If you want freedom to plane anywhere, job sites, garages, or remote workshops, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brushless motor delivers 30,000 cuts per minute and runs longer on a single charge than brushed motors. The depth adjustment is calibrated to 1/1/256 of an inch. That's incredibly precise, perfect for fine-tuning joints or veneers. The aluminum shoes are precision machined to ensure every cut is parallel, and the kickstand prevents accidental gouging when you set it down. Now, some people were frustrated that it's sold as a bare tool, no battery, no charger. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, that's not a big deal. But if you're starting fresh, the total cost jumps quickly. Still, the build quality and performance justify the price for serious users. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor, remodeler, or mobile woodworker. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only do occasional projects. It's pricey, but the convenience and power make it worth it for the right person.
Product number 4, WEN JT 630H Benchtop Jointer. If handhold planers aren't cutting it and you're ready to step up to a stationary machine, the WEN JT 630H is a standout. At $273.83, it's one of the few true jointers on this list, and with over 100 sold recently, it's gaining traction among serious hobbyists. If you want flat, straight edges on wide boards, this is where you start. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The spiral cutter head uses 12 staggered HSS blades, which means smoother cuts with less tear out, especially on tricky grain. The 30 by 6 inch cast iron tables provide a stable, warp-resistant surface, and you can remove up to 1/8 inch per pass. The fence bevels up to 45 degrees, so you can create angled edges for boxes or frames. Now, some users reported that the dust collection isn't the best. Shavings can pile up if your shop vac isn't strong enough. Here's the thing though, that's common with most benchtop jointers. Just pair it with a good dust extractor and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're building cabinets, tables, or any project that needs perfectly jointed edges. Skip this one if you only work with small pieces or don't have space for a benchtop tool. For under $300, it's a fantastic entry into stationary woodworking.
Product number 5, PowerTech jointer blades. Let's talk about something often overlooked, replacement blades. The PowerTech 6 1/8 inch HSS jointer blades cost just $18.59 and are compatible with several Rigid and Craftsman models. If your jointer's cutting poorly, it might not be the machine, it could be dull blades. This set gives you 3 sharp, durable replacements for less than the cost of a dinner out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Dull blades cause tear out, burn marks, and uneven surfaces. These high-speed steel blades stay sharp longer, cut cleaner, and handle hardwoods without chipping. Each blade is 1/8 inch thick and designed for smooth, fast action, exactly what you need for professional-looking results. Now, some people complained about fitment issues on older models. Here's the thing though, always double-check your jointer's model number before buying. These aren't universal, but for the right machine, they're a perfect match. This is perfect for you if you already own a compatible jointer and want to restore its performance. Skip this one if you're looking for a full machine or don't know your jointer model. At under $20, it's an easy upgrade that makes a big difference.
So, which one should you pick? The WEN 6530 is great for light work on a budget. The 6534 adds more power for bigger jobs. The DeWalt DCP 580B wins for portability and precision. The WEN JT630H is your best bet for a real jointer. And the PowerTech blades? Don't sleep on those. Sharp tools make all the difference. Pick the one that fits your projects, space, and budget. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.